On the off chance that you're searching for Solana cost expectation scores for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of Solana Sol will go from here on out, we will examine the previous costs of Solana Sol and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, foreseeing something so amazing is totally incomprehensible. However, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. Presented back in 2017, Solana Sol plans to give clients market-level security foundation with extraordinary ease of use among clients. The organization furnishes its clients with an exchange speed that nobody has at any point found in another blockchain project. The worldwide economy is changing extremely quick whenever contrasted with its past renditions. At this stage, Solana comes to use the worldwide economy on an unheard-of level. Solana is for the most part known for its adaptability, productivity, and speed. Sol was at first established by Anatoly Yakovenko. His aim was to fabricate an organization that would separate Solana from any remaining ventures at present running on the lookout. He held hands with different engineers to use the course of the task. Just after its ICO, Solana cooperated with another task named Serum to assist with building the DEX application. The application was fruitful around then. The reason that the application served was that it made an environment where the costs for the brokers were refreshed each 400 milliseconds. Solana is viewed as one of the top digital currencies on the planet. Due to its exchange speed and unequaled equal security, the coin is accessible on perhaps of the most renowned trade. Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase are a portion of the significant trades that offer Solana. Solana coins can likewise be gotten to by means of atoms in certain nations. With regards to its opponents, Solana is furnishing much better exchange speed with a very lower exchange charge. Solana utilizes the verification of stake framework, where the clients stake their cash on the organization and acquire rewards. During the time spent acquiring rewards, clients likewise help the specific blockchain at its ideal. Solana past value investigation. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Solana is $149.41 and Sol is presently positioned #5 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of Solana is 440,930,215 with a market cap of $66,773,701,901. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Solana's cost has shown a decent increment of 465% as of now. From most recent 7 days, the Sol was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 786%. Solana has shown areas of strength for exceptionally recently, and this could be decent and open door to dive right in and contribute. Solana Value Forecast 2024. According to the Gauge and Specialized Examination, in 2024 the cost of Solana is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $170.22. The Sol cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $203.21 with the typical worth of $176.94. Solana Value Expectation 2025. The cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $252.52 in 2025. The Solana cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $294.91 with the typical cost of $259.60 all through 2025. Sol Value Gauge for 2026. Solana cost is gauged to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $385.53 in 2026. According to our discoveries, the Sol cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $444.55 with a typical figure cost of $395.92. Solana Sol Value Forecast 2027. The cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $553.86 in 2027. The Solana cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $654.67 with the typical exchanging cost of $569.69 all through 2027. Solana Value Forecast 2028. The cost of one Solana is supposed to reach at any rate level of $823.80 in 2028. The Sol cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $965.67 with the typical cost of $852.29 all through 2028. Solana Value Forecast 2029. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Sol, in 2029 the cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $192. The SOL cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $1,424 with the typical exchanging cost of $1,226. Solana SOL Value Forecast 2030. The cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $1,716 in 2030. The Solana cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $278 with the typical exchanging cost of $1,765 all through 2030. Solana Value Figure 2031. According to the Figure Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2031 the cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at least degree of $2,493. The SOL cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $2,936 with the typical exchanging cost of $2,564. Solana SOL Value Forecast 2032. Solana cost is conjectured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $3,455 in 2032. According to our discoveries, the SOL cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $4,252 with the typical conjecture cost of $3,583. Solana Value Forecast 2033. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of SOL, in 2033 the cost of Solana is estimated to be at around a base worth of $5,129. The Solana value worth can arrive at a limit of $6,042 with the typical exchanging worth of $5,308 in USD. Solana Value Figure 2040. Understanding business sector patterns and feelings is urgent, however opinion can be flighty. Looking at current market elements can offer experiences into potential cost developments, yet taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2040, the greatest cost of Solana is supposed to reach $51,807. with a typical exchanging worth of $36,679. The base cost is projected to be around $28,823. SOL Value Gauge for 2050. Inspecting verifiable execution gives setting. Yet it is critical to perceive that previous presentation isn't characteristic of future outcomes. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2050 the cost of Solana is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $59,238. The SOL cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $8,205 with the typical worth of $65,555. Solana Value Gauge Facts. What amount will Solana be worth in 2030? As far as value, Solana has a remarkable potential to arrive at new levels. It is gauged that SOL will increment in esteem. As indicated by unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Solana can stir things up around town cost of $278 till 2030. What is the fate of Solana? The fate of Solana is exceptionally subject to the general presentation of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into SOL, you want to ensure that you are utilizing the right methodology. This sort of venture isn't appropriate for those with an uneven gamble profile. Notwithstanding, still a magnificent venture for those who have a high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary position.